So I just started by putting some onions into a hot pan, as well as I am putting 1 pound of mild Italian sausage and 1 pound of lean ground beef, and I'm just going to cook all that up. Then I'm going to add some garlic. As well as some Italian seasoning, some paprika, some salt, some pepper, and some Worcestershire sauce. Give that a good mix. You can use whatever seasonings you like. So I'm just adding some beef broth and tomato sauce, and I'll give that a good stir. Now for veggies, I was going to add raw veggies, but I didn't have any, so I'm adding a little bit of corn and some beans and carrots. They're frozen, but I don't think it matters if you add frozen or fresh. I just prefer fresh, but it turned out amazing anyway, so it worked out. And you're just going to cook this until the vegetables are cooked through. And now I'm just going to add my cooked macaroni. I chose to cook it beforehand because I didn't want it all mushy. So I just cooked it till it was just al dente, and then I just added it in at the very end of the goulash, as well as a little bit of cheese in there. And I just mixed all that together. And again, you can use whatever cheese you like. Now I'm just going to cover it and let it all cook through for a bit. I decided to put a little bit more cheese on top, and I'm just going to let that melt. Let's make a dish for my husband. It's so cheesy, oh my gosh. This dish was so filling, you guys, with all the meat and of course the macaroni. It was so filling. I only had like 1 dish. My husband had a couple, but it turned out amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. Some sunscreen because tomorrow is set to still be on the higher end of the UV index. When I say high, it's just high.